All right, good morning, everybody. Hopefully this sounds better. I don't know how, but I had the microphone sort of switched to the Elmo mic, and I don't think that's as good. Anyway, this is a closure. This is the end of the chapter. Okay, I'm going to let you know a couple secrets when we do this one, okay? So make sure you're paying attention here. All right, what do we got here? First thing we want to do is put your heading, right? All right, and the date, 2020. Okay, you're going to put your teacher's name and the period, and you're going to put what are you working on. Okay, and you want to make sure you pay attention here. First thing we're doing, remember, these are all review. CL3133. So you want to make sure, the whole idea with the closure problem is to prepare for a test, right? This happens at the end of a chapter before a test, okay? And remember that last problem you do, make this graph, is all about you reflecting and trying to figure out, am I totally confused on these, okay? Or do I totally get these, right? You want to make a graph for each problem number, not each and every problem. You don't have to make 1, 2, 3, 4 for C-134. You got to make one for these. How well do you know how to do the portions web? Okay? All right. So all about preparing for the test. Now I want equivalent fractions here. So again, I'm going to use the magic 1 here. Right? Let's go ahead and multiply this by 2 over 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 24 is 48. I can do 6 over 24. I can divide it by 2 over 2. All right, it's like dividing it by 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 24 divided by 3. Right? I can do it again. Divide 6 24ths by 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. And, sorry, I can't do that, can I? By 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay? And I could divide by 6 on the top, right? I can just simplify it. And 6 goes into the top, 1 goes into 24. These are all equivalent fractions. How many can you find? Well, I'll give you a hint. It looks like a snowman on its side. This is the symbol for what? Well, I'll give you a hint. Where's the end of this line? Where's the end of this line? There is no end, is there? Yeah, this is a symbol for infinity. Okay, so there are infinite answers to that. Try not to use the 4 that I gave you. Try to find your own. Okay? All right. CL3134. We're doing the portions webs. Okay, and a fraction, decimal, percent words. We're doing 40% here. Okay, so 40%, I'll give you a hint, is 40 per 100. And then simplify. And remember, to change it to a decimal, you move it 2 spots that way. So 40, boom, boom. Okay. And for B, B's the tough one. I will help you on that one because you got 1/6, and 1/6 does not divide evenly, right? You end up with what's called a repeating fraction. To go from a fraction to a decimal, divide the bottom into the top. It won't fit at a 0. It goes once. That's a 6. I get a remainder, add another 0. Now 6 goes into 40 how many times? 6 times, right? Because that's 36. But guess what? When I subtract, I get a 4. Add a 0, I get another 40. So I put another 6, I get another 36. And this will go on that many times. You don't want it to go on that many times. So sooner or later, you have to round this. Since I'm going to a percent, I usually round to the 100 spot. That's 6 because there's a 6 to the right of it, becomes a 7. So this is about 0.17. So this is about 17%. You draw the picture, write it in words. All right, C is much easier, 0.375. you can make that a percent easy. And again, 375 thousandths is 375 thousandths. Please simplify. All right, give you a little secret here. Okay, first off, if you follow me this far, you do not have to do this problem. C-137. Don't do it. Okay, you don't have to. All right, all the rest you should do. And you got to know that when you get done, please make those graphs. And when you get done, you can check your answers. Woo-hoo-hoo. All the answers are here. All the answers are here. And it also tells you if you need help, go here. If you need help, go here. Right? Check out these lessons. Check out these problems. Okay? All right? Shows you how to do it. So that's all you get for today's video. Okay, tomorrow's video I will go through all the answers, so you'll have it on Tuesday, ready for the test on Wednesday. Okay, but if you paid attention to this and you watch this video, you get rewarded by knowing you don't have to do that one. We're gonna laugh at all the kids that did it. All right, a little bit mean. Uh-oh, Santa's watching. Hey, have a good one, everybody.